Today I will introduce to you how to use JWM Guard Tour Reader on the cloud platform. Now we could see it here, double click it, and follow the instructions. As we could see here, it is necessary to run the data receive service. Open this file. Find and click it. Then as the indication shows we need to input I. Then it pops up to complete the installation of this service. We could see that it is installed on the desktop successfully. Click it and we could log in now. We log into an administrator page to create accounts and the default company code is administrator. We need to get the activation code first. Click the right button of the mouse here, then copy the activation code and send it to your salesperson. Paste the verification code below. After logging in, we can create accounts now. Click Add Company, and fill in the information you need. Note that the time zone should be the same as user's region. Then we could log into the account we just set up. The default username is admin, and the password is 999. The first thing after logging in is to download driver. The drive will make sure the device could connect to your server, which is necessary. Then we need to register the device into the software. Note that for each model you need to do this step once. We need to connect the device with the computer at first. Then we go to add the device in device list under data maintenance. Click Add Device. After registering the device, we can go to make basic settings. Firstly, we need to add a company. Here the company means region and it consists of many checkpoints. Absolutely, you could add many companies and their subsidiaries. But note that the name of each company can't be the same. We could also edit or delete them. Company setup is done, then we can move to Add Guard. Use the device to read Guard ID tag, click Batch Read. Note that we do not need to insert SIM card for this step. Similarly, all the information could be edited in the software. Guard setting is done successfully. We could add checkpoints now. Note that you need to select the specified company to add checkpoints. Similarly, you could use the device to read the checkpoints one by one and click Batch Read in the software. Similarly, we could edit or delete these checkpoints. If we already know the checkpoint ID, we could add them by clicking the right button of the mouse. For physical checkpoints, we can add also these points on the map. Now all the guard and checkpoint information is set, we can go to make the plans. Firstly, we choose the company and click Add the Plan. Note that the plan must be added at the company or its superior company with the checkpoints. Secondly, we select needed checkpoints and go to make the patrol schedules. Here we could add batch schedules or some individual schedules one by one. You also could add some rest time or some special holidays according to your situation. Now the patrol plan setup is done, we could see the patrol schedules clearly and easily. Now let us move to voice setup. We could add voice here. Input anything we want, and choose the company, then save it. We need to generate the voice we just added. Note that the voice setup is optional. After that, we could bind this voice to the checkpoint. When you read the checkpoint, it will have this voice prompt. Note that all these checkpoints with voice binding need to be downloaded to the device. Choose these checkpoints and click Download Data. Next, we will do the contact setup. Choose the company. Click Add Contacts. Input the contact name and telephone number, then save it. Similarly, this contact information also needs to be downloaded to the device. Choose it and click Download Data. Download data successful. For real-time devices, we also need to do the communication setup. As the video shows, we must input IP address and the default port is 3505, and about the below part, please kindly contact the local operator to check the APN information. Before the patrol, we need to clear the data and do the device timing. All the settings are done, we could start the patrol job. For real-time devices, we could move to real-time monitoring to check patrols. Here we need to choose the plan. Note that we must check this in the plan time, then you could see all the points here when you upload real-time data through your device. These red points will turn into green, which means data uploaded successful. And it will show more details below. After patrolling, we could check the patrol report on the software. Choose the data inquiry condition and click Data Inquiry. Here the patrol report, we could see the patrol status clearly. All the reports could be exported to Excel and PDF. Through our software we also could get the patrol data statistics. We could have a better view and statistics on the patrol status. All the reports could be exported to Excel and PDF. Now the introduction is done. Thank you for your watching and hope our products could help your patrol management easier.